This is going to be a quick video on how to install a Rivnut into an antenna boom, not using a special tool. So you could buy the special tool. It's going to be about $25 to $50. But if you're just doing one or two of these a year, what you can do is just use in this case, a quarter 20 bolt with a couple of quarter 20 nuts on here and a washer. The nut goes on the end. This nut that goes on the end, it's going to be too big for this bolt, so it's going to allow that to move around. So I'll drill a hole into this aluminum boom here, and I'll install a Rivnut. It looks like this. So the more expensive tool is going to thread in just like this, and it'll pull straight out like a rivet, and it'll expand this little collar here that's serrated. But as you can see, this is going to do the exact same thing. You'll use these two nuts here as stop nuts, and then this will allow you to tighten this up while putting a wrench on here, pulling this down, expanding it in the hole. And those of you not familiar with the camera tripod hardware, it's all going to be a quarter 20. Let's see. So here's an example of one camera accessory. So you see a little quarter 20 screw on there, and these are going to screw right onto that once they're installed in the boom.